And now it's time for Gifted in Space. Captain Patrick! Captain Patrick! I can't remember which button starts the recording. Captain Patrick sighed. It's the red button, Special Helper. I thought red meant stop. Red means love, Lieutenant Delana said. Red is war! First Mate Abby chimed in with. The last comment scared Special Helper, so he pushed the red button on the screen and pointed to Captain Patrick, letting him know it was go time. Hi, I'm Captain Patrick. Normally you see me on local news, saving the world, unless you watch the Trucker Kinsey show. You also see my image on biscuits if you eat at Pawpaw's on my home planet. Sometimes you even see me linked to fathering a super race of fighting broccoli, but those reports are from the tabloids, and you shouldn't trust those for your news. Anyway, today I'm here with my crew to remind you it's Galaxy Citizenship Week. It's important to remember that we're all citizens in the galactic world. That's why you should all vote for me, Abby, your queen, Captain Patrick sighed. First Mate, there's not a queen in the galactic world to vote for. Well, what is there for me to rule? I'm not really sure. Then we're all citizens of something we can't vote on for positions we don't know exist? Who decides the rules? They're self-evident. Then how come I don't know them? There was an awkward silence because Captain Patrick knew it would be impolite to say, because you're being obstinate and acting stupid, and everyone else was quiet because they couldn't follow Captain Patrick. So we're here to encourage good citizenship. Lieutenant, how about giving us one of those useful tips? Okay, all you old fat guys still living at home with your moms, tune out now. And ew. As for those of you who are cute, here are some helpful tools you can use to post selfies after your workouts. Lieutenant, that's not a tip we talked about. Special Helper, Admiral, don't you two have a tip for us? Yes, sir, Jade said. Now, see, kids, citizening is just like helping, Special Helper said. It's just like what I'm putting all over Admiral's face. Now, she asked for cold cream, but I knew that raw steak is better on the skin because it has a tenderizing effect. Jade began to freak when she realized her face was covered in steak. Captain Patrick tried to move the service announcement forward. Now, we want you all to pass your citizenship tests, so pay attention to the helpful clues we'll provide on the practice test. The first question is, how far into space can you go on a weight-building ship of poundage with X as the variable? Special Helper started to cry because he realized humanity's chance at citizenship was lost if those were the questions. The crying caused Captain Patrick to stop reading, which was when he realized he was reading from the wrong test prep bank. Sorry, that card was from my advanced space cadet research work. Your question is, which color does space most look like? Red! Shouted Abby and Delana. Yellow! Special Helper said. Green! Jade, still furiously scrubbing her face with natural herbs and minerals, said. Captain Patrick sighed. By the way, Lieutenant interjected, if testing isn't your thing, you can always marry into the family of galactic citizens, she said as she batted her eyes. Wait, I don't think I ever pressed record to start us, Special Helper said. Captain Patrick sighed, while in a galaxy far, far away, Trucker Kinsey was mowing down odd-looking dwarfs and causing havoc and mayhem at a bowling party. The immense breeches, buttons, and roses in shoes from the party eventually poked a couple of holes in her trucker wheels, but she had fun while it lasted.